Can you make money trading Bonk? Can you really profit trading Bonk? I'm going to show you how you can make daily profits trading Bonk, whether the price is going up or down. And yes, I said whether the price is going up or down. Let's talk about it.
Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. We have a proven track record with our 90% win rate on our crypto calls. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so do your own research before you make any crypto trades.
Hey everybody, it's Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys are doing amazingly well today. I wanted to do a video about Bonk. And what the heck is Bonk? All right, Bonk is a meme coin, and it's a cryptocurrency called Bonk. And what are meme coins? Meme coins are pure speculation. That's it. They don't mean anything. They're a cryptocurrency that somebody created. Bonk is on the Solana blockchain, and they just have these large communities where people are trading these, and literally it's just a fun thing that you can trade and make money with. And if you're doing it right, you can make money with. If you don't know what you're doing, you can actually lose a lot of money. So memes can be pretty controversial, but at the end of the day, I don't really care what the crypto is. I really only care about Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I have no allegiance to any other crypto, and that might surprise a lot of you, because at the end of the day, most cryptocurrencies will go to zero, probably except for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is the only one I have allegiance to. I love Bitcoin, but I like to trade other cryptocurrencies, and I'll show you how we do that. And I'm going to show that how we use specific charts and how we automate a lot of these trades. So if you want to learn how to do this, if you want to learn how to do this, where you can come in and trade Bonk and you can automatically do it, just like I did today, several times a day. Here's a 3%, made $30. Here's another 3%, made $30. That's on a short, made 3%. And these, if you look at the time, that's 2 hours, 1 hour, 13 hours, made another $37. There's a 3.63%. Here's a long, $37, 3.7. That was about 5 hours. This was 9 hours, $21. This was a short, $22.68. And here's actually a pretty big one right here. This is $2,372, and that was 11 days on Bonk. So, all right, so let's talk about Bonk. Let's rewind a little bit. I'm going to show you about the charts that I'm using. We use a chart called the Crypto Code Trading Dashboard, and it is the world's best buy and sell indicator. Why? Well, it just works. And the reason why, it's based on what's called support and resistance, but not just any support and resistance, but historical structural support and resistance. It tells us when to buy and when to sell. I'm going to talk about what support and resistance are. And first, what I'm going to do is, before I talk about Bonk, I'm going to take you over to Bitcoin. So if you're new to all of this, hit the like button, because I'm going to teach you something here right now. And then we're going to show you how we trade Bonk every single day and how we automate that, and how you could do the same thing if you're interested. By the way, head on over to the description of this video. You can register for a free workshop. We'll teach you our strategies, what we do, how we automate these strategies, and you can even attend that workshop, take a short quiz at the end. We'll send you $10 in Bitcoin. And we paid out thousands and thousands of dollars of Bitcoin to people who check out that workshop just this year alone. All right, so what you're looking at here is the Crypto Code Trading Dashboard, and we have a very specific indicator that shows us that we developed the structural support and resistance levels. Now, what does that mean? See these red lines on the screen? This is resistance. Now I'm going to go ahead. This is Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a nice big fall today. Okay, now let's put this on Bonk. Guess what? Bonk also had a nice big fall today. Kind of fun, interesting. Let me teach you something about cryptocurrency. You have Bitcoin, and then you have everything else. Everything else is what's called an altcoin, all right? Altcoins follow the path of Bitcoin. Generally, when Bitcoin has a dump, altcoins will have a dump. Bonk will have a dump, and that's exactly what happened today. So it's like gravity. When Bitcoin goes down, altcoins will go down. When Bitcoin goes up, altcoins will go up. So who cares about that? Because here's the deal. If you want to profit inside these waves, crypto is always going up, back and forth moving in a wave, and it's always going through these structural support and resistance levels. Now, resistance is where the price is trying to break above. It's trying to break above the resistance level, and it has a hard time. It starts to get exhausted, and you start to get these sell signals, right? And then when it bounces down to what's called the support, that's like the floor. It's like, hey, I'm bouncing the floor. I'm safe. This is a structural level. And you see what's different about our indicator is there's multiple layers of support in here. Notice how there's a gap right there. When we came down here, we broke quickly through here, and there's a rule. If we break through a structural level, we're going to go down to the next level. If we break through that level, we're going to go down to the next level. If we break through that level, we're going to go to the next level. Now, notice how this level has multiple levels here. That's a stronger level of support. And because of our fancy dancy coding that we've done in our indicators, we triggered a buy signal there. And I can even look at this at a 5-minute chart here, which is beautiful. Get you a great entry on Bonk right there, just right there with our buy indicator. Boom, you're already up about 7% on that. Now, before I talk about how we make the 3% per day, 4% per day, I want to talk about kind of like the longer price swings of Bonk, and talk about specifically and show you this chart with the major support and resistance levels, because there are other ways that you can trade as well. So I want to put this on a daily time frame. But before they do that, I need to do one other thing. I need to talk about the psychology of traders. So here's the deal. On the existing chart, on the 1-hour chart, you got the buy signal here on the 23rd of September, right? And you're like, buy signals, happy days. Up here to my first level of resistance, 45%. 45%. So let's just say you're taking $1,000, bought Bonk, you would have $450 in your bank account. Woohoo! Actually, if you'd gone up here to that upper level, you'd have 53%. So $530 in your bank account. Woohoo! That is if you took your profits. All right. Now, what is the psychology of everyone else who sees when crypto goes up 53%, Bonk goes up 53%? They're telling their neighbors, their friends are hearing about it, they're reading on the news, and guess what they're doing? They're buying. Okay? Buy, buy, buy. They get excited when the price goes up. Well, guess what? We don't do that. Okay? There's something you're going to learn, and learn this. Buy on red. Buy when the price is going down. Buy when it's fearful. And sell on green. We buy when price is going down. We sell when price is going up. We buy on red. We sell on green. And that sounds easy, right? But on days like this, people want to do the opposite. When price goes down, like today on Bitcoin or all the other alts, like I can pop this up here. Look at all these altcoins. Down, 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 down. People are panicking. They're panicking. They're panicking. What do they want to do? They want to sell. Sell, 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 sell. Well, guess what? Those people are selling. Guess who's buying? We're buying. And then we're going to sell when the price goes up. Okay? So we buy when it's red, and we sell when it's green. We buy when it's red, we sell when it's green. We buy when it's red, we sell when it's green. Okay? We buy when it's red and we sell when it's green. Now, we don't just buy anything. We don't just start buying when the price starts going down. We buy at these very structural levels here. So let's put the chart back on Bonk. So you notice here on Bonk, lots and lots of sell signals here. So in this case, if you're thinking three-dimensional, we're shorting, okay? We're shorting here. We short when the price is going up. So we're doing the opposite. You're thinking three-dimensional, guys. So when price is going down, you're buying and you're doing longs. And when price is going up and pumping, you're selling and doing shorts. Price will only go up, down, and sideways. It only has three ways that it goes, okay? Up, down, and sideways. So if you think three-dimensional, if you have trades going short and long at the same time, that's how you win a crypto. Most people have no idea when to buy and when to sell. If that's you, make sure you hit that like button. Go check out the description of this video, and we will teach you the right way to do it. And if you're interested in automating this, I'm going to go ahead and talk about this right now. So again, I showed you some of these Bonk trades. Let me show you some of our other trades, because it's not just Bonk that we do this with. But we do lots of other cryptocurrencies as well. There's Pepe, Bonk, Rune, ECH, Pepe again, SHIB, a lot of these longs and shorts, Ordi, Bonk, Tia, Near, Bonk, Near, OP, Optimism, Lido, Injective, HNT, Pepe, Caspa, Uniswap. So here's the thing. This will set you free. If you don't care, I don't care what the price of Bitcoin is. I don't care what the price of Bonk is. I just care about the volatility, and I'm going to make money in the waves. I'm going to profit in these 3%, 4%, 3%, 4%, time and time again as price moves up and as price moves down. Price is always moving in a wave. Price is always moving in a wave. Right there. Boom. We're going to take a nice percentage there. I mean, and Bonk moves quite a bit. I mean, you could definitely, our goal is to kind of shoot for 4% range, but many times you can, but I'm happy with 4% because just as fast as crypto can go up, it can go down as well. So I'd rather snake a lot of profits here in the middle. So basically, we automate a lot of these strategies with our crypto code dashboard based on this indicator, on this support and resistance. Now, for you long-term traders, let me just kind of back up and show you about Bonk. Bonk is not very old. Bonk at least was listed here on Bybit back in January of 2023. And by the way, if you had got into Bonk when it first launched here on Bybit, your price approximately, well, let's just go to the bottom of this candle here. You would have done a 4,664% on Bonk. Life-changing money, but even if you had just bought Bonk here at this last buy signal here at February 5th of this year, and you rode it all the way up to the top here, you would have been up 391%. But with that, there's a lot of stress. Should I buy? Should I sell? And if you have our indicators, you would know when there were good sell points and everything. But if you want to automate these strategies, do what I'm showing you right now, where you can automate a lot of this and just kind of let it work for you. And so if you focus on this, where you're just getting these small percentages throughout these waves, and sometimes it can be larger percentages, it can really add up. Let me give you an example here and show you, for example, let's say that, you saw me earlier, right? I'm doing multiple 3% a day, sometimes even more. And sometimes you'll have multiple in a day, and sometimes you'll have none in a day. But let's just say conservatively, you did one of those per day, 3% a day, all right? And you had $1,000. So 3% times 30, what is that? You guys know, put it in the comments there. Yeah, that's 90%, all right? So let's say you had $1,000, okay? You put $1,000 into Bonk and you followed this method that I'm teaching you right here today times 90%. I think you guys know what that is. That's $900 in 1 month. Okay, so I've done a 90% return in a month, whether the price is going up or down. Who cares what the price of Bonk is? Who cares what the price of Bitcoin is? If I can extract money in those waves, that's a beautiful thing. That's one of my favorite ways of trading. I do lots of other trading as well, swing trading, long-term investing, but this is by far my favorite, just sucking money out of the profits. Let me tell you something that's even more exciting than this, and this works on any crypto, by the way. If you compound it, am I saying that right? Compound. If you just basically take the money, the profits you make, put it right back into your trade and let it go up. So every day, if I take those $3, those $30, those $60, and I put them right back into my trade, then I have more capital that's investing. It's compounding over time. You guys want to go to a compounding calculator and just kind of calculate it out? If you did this and if everything went in a perfect world, after 1 year, what you would have, why don't you guys go ahead and do that? Now, even if you only did 10, 20% of that, happy days, that would be a great time for you in the markets. And these are the secrets that most people don't understand, because what most people do is they buy crypto because their friend told them about it, and then they lose their shorts. Because usually their friend tells them about it when it's pumping and they've made 50%, and then they go spend $1,000 and they lose $400 on day number 1, day number 2, day number 3, and then they go, oh, this crypto doesn't work. But if you just took a little time and you understood a little bit about how markets work, how this structural support and resistance works, and how you can even automate a lot of strategies, you can finally become a winner in crypto. If you want to become a winner in crypto, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more about crypto, how to actually profit in crypto, make sure you follow, watch all of our videos. Go register for our workshop below, and we'll be happy to teach you about what we do. And we also offer a service called our premium trade alerts, where we actually just do trade alerts, and we have a 90.19% win rate. You can see our win rate. You can go to the description of this video and get to the link to this trade record. You could see these. Actually, let me get into our members area and show you guys our members in here. So let me get into our forums right here, and I'll show you guys. and we'll run in and we'll take a look, and you can actually see some of the success stories that students are always posting. Here's a new month, a new win, 14.34%. Injective, 4.9%. HNT win, 3.14%. Potential trade alert, 9.8%. My first bot win. We have a lot of students that are showing their actual wins. These are actual students who are doing this. Atom win, profit 40%. Listen, guys, this isn't financial advice. I can't promise you that you're going to make any money in crypto. In fact, most people that get involved in crypto, if they don't know what they're doing, they lose money. But if you want to learn how to do this, get some education, subscribe to our videos. We want you to be a winner. We practice what we preach. Actually, you guys want to see, let me go ahead really quick and show you some of the recent trades that I personally taken. I put my money where my mouth is. So here's Render right here. I just closed this trade with a $6,000 profit. Actually, let me show you something about Render really quick. This is very interesting because most people, have you ever done this? And if this is you, hit the like button on here in this video. Have you ever taken a trade and you were up in profit and then you lost it all? This is called round tripping. Let's say you bought Render right in here and you're like, yeah, happy days, woohoo, I just made a 24% profit. And then in a matter of a day, boom, it goes down 16%, or you lost it all. You were up in profit, but you didn't realize the profit. And that's the biggest thing in crypto. Take your profits. And I've gotten really good at actually taking my profits. These are my actual profits that I've taken. $6,000 AR, $173, $462 with Pepe, $5 with DOT. $5. Theta, $541. Link, $1.95. Woohoo! $1,730 with Solana, $9 with AR. Again, I don't really necessarily care so much. I just want some volatility in the crypto. But I hate this. I hate taking a trade and losing it all. And so what we'll teach you is how to lock in those profits. Make sure you're always locking in your profits because it's a tale of as old as time. People will get into crypto and crypto goes up and crypto goes down. And guess what? It'll do that forever and for all eternity. So if you want to make money in crypto, if you want to learn how to make money in crypto, get some education, subscribe to our videos, learn from us. And if you want even a deeper dive, you can jump into the description of the video. You can get into our free Facebook groups, our free Telegram group. And for those of you who want to watch our workshop and get involved actually in our program, become a winner. If you take action, winners need to take action. If you're the type of person that doesn't take action, you probably won't make any money in crypto. But if you are an action taker, take it serious, jump in. We'd love to see you in there. All right, guys, if you like this video, let me know. Today we talked about Bonk. If you'd like me to cover any other specific altcoin, make sure you let me know in the description of this video, and we'll chalk those up for a future video. This is Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life at anything you do. We'll see you guys in another video. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.